If you're living with chronic pain, fatigue, or symptoms, and they won't go away, I really want you to hear this clearly. You are not out of options. If you've tried all the scans, tests, treatments, injections, physical manipulations, and your symptoms aren't getting better, it may mean you're trying to treat the wrong thing. Most of us, when we develop chronic pain or symptoms, we go on this epic mission to try and fix our body. But as we know, most chronic pain and symptoms are not due to damage or disease in the body. They're due to your brain and nervous system being stuck in this heightened state of danger. My name is Tanner Murtagh, and I'm a therapist who once had debilitating chronic pain. And at the worst of it, I was anxious, depressed, and even bedbound. Until I discovered that most chronic pain and symptoms are actually neuroplastic and completely reversible. And this realization changed my life. It helped me fully heal my chronic symptoms. And since then, I've helped hundreds of people heal their chronic pain, chronic fatigue, fibromyalgia, and chronic dizziness. Neuroplastic pain and symptoms are caused and amplified by brain and nervous system processes and are not due to damage or disease in the body. You have to understand that negative thoughts and beliefs about your body, difficult emotions, nervous system dysregulation, and trauma sensitize your pain and symptom system in the brain, causing symptoms to be triggered and perpetuated. So this is how neuroplastic pain and symptoms occur. The body is not damaged or diseased. Nerves send safe signals to the brain, but a sensitized brain and nervous system receives these messages and misinterprets them as dangerous. The brain then produces pain and symptoms to alert and protect us. Sensitization in the brain and nervous system is responsible for neuroplastic pain and symptoms. Multiple factors can cause and prolong sensitization. This includes negative thoughts and beliefs about the body, avoidance of physical feelings, movements, or activities, prolonged nervous system dysregulation, ongoing impacts of trauma, and a sense of social danger. The somatic safety method is an exact step-by-step system to help people heal their chronic pain and symptoms. And so far in our program, we've seen so many people recover. In the somatic safety method program, we help people heal their chronic pain and symptoms by focusing the work on 5 desensitization factors. This includes changing thoughts and beliefs, brain retraining and graded exposure, regulating the nervous system, processing trauma, and increasing social safety. So here's what you can expect in our program. There's 10 comprehensive modules with over 10 hours of video education. There's over 30 worksheets, including self-assessment tools, cognitive strategies, and behavioral change plans. There's also over 60 audio and video practices, including body-focused practices, emotion-focused practices, trauma recovery tools, and movement and brain retraining tools. Finally, there's an online community, which includes chat threads for Q&A, sharing advice, and connecting with other members, and live monthly Q&A sessions with the creators. So if you're ready to begin your healing from chronic pain or illness, you can sign up for the Somatic Safety Method course by clicking the link in the description of this video. I'll see you there.